Does anyone actually use these hair dryers when you're traveling? I don't. They always weird me out. And this one is so small and sleek. And this one has the best blowing power that I've ever used. And so why would I not want to take it? This does also have a heat, cool, warm, and mixture of air. I'm trying to go on like 6-day hair at this point. The only way I've been able to assist with the frizz is using this bad boy. And this Tideway hair dryer just launched. It is on sale right now, plus an additional $10 coupon if you click on that orange card. It's only going to be here until October 21st though. So if you are seeing this beforehand, you're in luck because you're going to get the best deal.